We are so excited. Tomorrow, Monday, February 16th, is the official launch of Liquishine, which is an exciting new line of RV cleaning products. So to celebrate, there is a huge live stream going on tomorrow night over on Matt's RV Reviews channel. This live stream will start at 5 p.m. and go through 8 p.m. Eastern time. Now there's going to be some really exciting things that happen during this live stream, so you want to make sure you're there. If you purchase Liquishine on the launch day, you will be eligible to win a 3-night Caribbean cruise. For each bottle you purchase, you will get 1 entry into the cruise giveaway. And 5 customers will win a year's supply of liquefied and liquishine products. Remember, in order to be eligible for these prizes, you need to purchase the products on launch day, again, which is tomorrow, Monday, February 16th. The most important part, though, is to make sure you use the code ENDLESS15. That's going to help you save 15% off all the products that you buy.
You already know about Liquash, the RV black tank treatment, but now you have Liquishine, which is a 4-part launch. So you have your wash and wax, which is kind of the general all-around cleaner. You do have a bug and tar remover, which is for those really embedded bugs. You have a black streak cleaner. Everybody knows about black streaks, especially if you have towables. And you do have a roof cleaner. We are going to demonstrate the wash and wax and a couple different surfaces. I really like this because it is a nice all-in-one. And what this does is that it not only cleans, it leaves a protective finish, a slick finish, and we're going to show you that. We just filled up with diesel. Diesel always spills when I fill, so you can see there's some streak marks here. I'm going to spray this and show you how it's going to clean this up, this diesel up easily. I'll pull out one of our clean microfiber towels, and it's going to leave that protective finish, which I'm going to show you on our Tahoe. So this is all it takes. And guys, why would you use a product like this? Well, right now, as you can see, we're in a parking lot at National Indoor RV Centers. There's the dirt it took off. And we can't wash our motorhome here. We can pay to get it washed for sure. Or if you want something really quick, you can just use something like this to get your bugs off. And look at the finish on that. It's slick, it's simple, and it works. So we're still in the light bug season, but you see we have bugs right here, and I want to demonstrate how this is going to work on the bugs. Now, again, there is a bug and tar remover. You have really heavy stuff that's sitting in there, but if you're on top of it and using the wash and wax, which we have right here, it's going to take it right off. And what it's going to do, again, leave that protective finish. So the next time you get bugs, they're going to come off easily like this, because there's the bug, nasty, because it's going to be very difficult for them to stick on because you had that protective finish. I'll just spray a little bit here. This is a new microfiber towel. And then I'll come over on the clean side again. Just wipe anything off. And look at that shine that we have on here. We do have some, road rash and whatever, but very clean, very easy product. This product addresses what other cleaning products doesn't, is that it cleans and it leaves a protective finish. You see the bottle of wash and wax sitting on the hood of the Tahoe. I did wash the Tahoe recently, but we've been driving a lot and it gets dirty. You could also see the dirt on here. I'm just going to run my finger. There is dirt on here. So I'm going to show you how this works and how it leaves that protective finish. This is safe on glass, on chrome, on paint, all different surfaces. I'm going to spray quickly. Again, use a clean microfiber towel, as you can see here. I'm going to quickly wipe. Get the dirt off. You can see there. Get it to the clean side, wipe again. And I just have this section here that you just saw the bottle sitting on.
Put it over there first.
Well,
Again, that
okay.
section that hasn't been
Here's
cleaned.
the treated section, which you just saw. Here's the untreated section. Let me just clean the bottom here. There was no dirt on it. And actions speak louder than words, right guys? It does leave that protective finish.
The most important thing about this product is it is IZZY approved.
Absolutely, I'll use this on, I might use too much of it.
It's MJ approved too, but I think
it's a great product.
You definitely are loving it.
So go over to liquifiedrv.com, discount code ENDLESS15, or go over to Matt's RV Reviews live stream. You're gonna
That's
get
tomorrow. Yep.
buy it tomorrow on the 16th. Really buy it anytime. If you buy it tomorrow, you get the entries to those extra prizes. It's pretty awesome.
Endless 15.
I want to congratulate the Liquafied team and Liquishine team for, again, coming out with a great product line. This is all made in-house and it's awesome. So congratulations to them. I want to thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the live stream.